Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing. It's not really on, but it's alright. I've already looked at it, to be honest with you guys. It's going to be more of a reveal, right? To share with you guys. Pretty excited about this one. This is going to be something that I know a lot of you guys are really going to like. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. You can find a link for my Patreon right down in the description. And please, I love this new card. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. This is another video where the audio quality is going to suck. Sorry about that. It'll be fixed in the very near future once the adapter comes from my external mic. Okay, so this is just sitting on top of that, just because to cover it up. So you might be thinking, dude, that's just a Formax Scout. Like, who cares? We know about that, right? You guys have been asking for me to review the Formax Scout, though, and fortunately for me, DLT Trading has a very cool exclusive version of this coming out. When? When is that awesome exclusive coming out? April 13th. I'm actually going to be providing a link for this where it will populate on April 13th right down in the description. So you guys can go down there and see, it'll show like their other exclusives right now. But yeah, I'm going to link that right down there. Sorry, I've been touching this thing and playing with it, so my gross fingerprints are all over the blade. But yeah, this is an awesome DLC blade. And then we've got the OD Green injection mold plastic, which I think looks really good on this guy. The combination of those two colors look excellent. I'm actually really happy about that. So I have reviewed the original Formax. For those of you there's always new people on my channel going, what is this? He's not, I want a review. Type in Metal Complex Cold Steel Formax, and you can check out my original review of that knife. I have not reviewed the Cold Steel Formax Scout, or the lighter or less expensive version of this yet. I'm just revealing this today, letting everybody know that this particular variant of it is going to be available on DLT Trading April 13th. Now, this will get a full review on this channel because I need to review this knife anyway. My thoughts on the Formax design, you can pick those up from the original review, but again, this is much less expensive and it's in different materials, so it deserves its own review. This thing is stupidly overbuilt. This is ridiculous. This thing is so, it kind of, like with the old one, it was so much more expensive. I was like, it's so cool and overbuilt. And yeah, it was using G10 and it had 20 CV, which was kind of ironically inappropriate for that, because 20 CV is not a tough steel, right? Geometry can help out in terms of toughness, but this guy's injection mold plastic, and it's AUS 10A, which I have misjudged in the past. The funny thing is because of the build here, I like G10 better than injection mold plastic, but it feels solid because it's backed up by the triad lock and those robust liners, right? So whatever. But the steel, the funny thing is that AUS 10A, while it's not going to hold an edge nearly as long as 20 CV, and it's not quite as stainless, it is definitely tougher, and it makes way more sense on a knife like this that you're going to go out and absolutely beat the crap out of. This is, less of what I'd label as a beater and more of what I want to call a mega pounder of a knife. I don't think there's anything I wouldn't do. I would use this knife as a shovel, right? Honestly, I'm going to get out my old, you guys know that I love the Cold Steel SR1 Light because of the cost and because of how overbuilt it is. The Cold Steel Formax Scout, or the Formax in general, still, it makes this knife look kind of like a weenie boy. It's great. Both of these are going to do excellent. I will say that there is a noticeable difference in feeling of quality between the Formax and the SR1 Light. Both of these knives are plenty capable, and they are both insanely robust. I'm going to guess the blade stock on the Formax is also 187 thousandths, though I will note that the combination of the scales and liners, they do appear to be just a little bit thicker, perhaps. Maybe? Am I imagining that? Let's put it on. I think it tapers on the butt end, so let's look. The reason I'm comparing these two is because they are, they're cold steel. Yeah, the Formax is a bit thicker. The whole thing is just a little bit more robust, right?
Ergonomic lines on this guy. Yeah, I mean, I remember this. I remember reviewing the, the old big boy, the really expensive. There was a $300 version and then there was a $400 version. Nowhere near what this guy is. You might be thinking, okay, great, it's a different color, but they're probably going to charge more money for it, right? No. The original Formax Scout that looks like this on the box, $110. This guy, $110. So there you go. I mean, if you don't have a problem with the price in the original Formax Scout and you like the colors here, you don't have to pay any more money for it, as it should be. DLT always does a good job with that. They generally are not like, here's a different color, pay us more money. No, they haven't been doing that. So that's pretty cool. Like I said, there will be a link for this guy right down in the description. It won't appear yet, but the link will take you to where it will appear. And I will do a reminder for my viewing community here in the community tab on my YouTube channel as we draw closer. I will also do a reminder on Instagram. So if you're, my new iPad going off, so yeah, if you're not following me on Instagram, you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe because I will make sure that everybody has a fair shot at this. I'm really excited about this. You will get a full review down the road. I don't know how many times, I'm probably repeating myself at this point, but I'm just excited about this. This is really cool. Anyways, I think that's going to be pretty much it. I don't think this video needs to be any longer. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.